In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Sheets with Trello to get, create, and update data seamlessly between these two powerful tools. Let's dive in and start by opening your Google Sheets file. Once you have your Google Sheet open, direct your attention to the top menu and click on Extensions. From the drop-down menu, select Add-ons and then click on Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace where you'll find a myriad of tools to enhance your Sheets experience. Now in the search bar at the top, type Sheet Director and hit enter. You'll see a list of results. Locate Sheet Director and click on it. This is the add-on we'll need to integrate Google Sheets with Trello. Once you're on the Sheet Director page, click on the Install button to add it to your Google Sheets. Follow the on-screen prompts that guide you through the process, including accepting permissions and choosing which Google account you want to use with the add-on. After Sheet Director is installed, you'll see a notification in the top right corner of your screen. Close this menu by clicking on the cross or simply clicking anywhere else on the sheet. Next, go back to the Extensions menu, hover over Sheet Director and select Start. This action launches the Sheet Director sidebar on the right side of your screen. In the sidebar, you'll find a search field where you can look for Trello. Type in Trello and hit enter. Sheet Director might request additional permissions to connect with Trello. Click on Allow and if prompted, switch to the Trello website and log into your Trello account to authorize the connection. Once connected, head back to Google Sheets, ensuring there are no open pop-ups from Trello that need your attention. Back in the Sheet Director sidebar, you'll be prompted to choose which Trello board you wish to link with your Google Sheet. Select your board from the drop-down list. Once you've chosen your board, it's time to sync your data. Click on Execute, and your Google Sheets and Trello account are now linked, enabling you to get, create, or update Trello cards directly from Google Sheets. As you work with this powerful integration, you'll find it enhances your productivity by reducing the time spent switching between apps. Remember, if you need to adjust settings or change boards, return to the Extensions menu and navigate through Sheet Director's options again. By the end of this tutorial, you should have a smoothly operating link between your Google Sheet and Trello, allowing you to manage tasks and data effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this integration as useful as I do.